My name is Byron Edwards. I'm studying a BEng in Integrated Engineering at Gower College, Swansea. I chose the BEng in Integrated Engineering because it would support my career aspirations and it gives a very well-rounded subject base, which again would complement my work and practice. Gower College Swansea offered very good facilities. The staff seemed very knowledgeable and understanding for particularly part-time courses where apprenticeships. I work at Magstim full-time. Magstim are market leaders which produces neurotech and medical devices. Everything that Magstim produces comes from West Wales and is produced in West Wales and it's exported all around the world. My experience working with Gower College has been very positive. I've been fortunate enough that Magstim's backed me in formalising some education. I've progressed into the position I'm in now, which is manufacturing engineer. I'm partly responsible for design transfer, which is taking a product from concept through to serial production. I also do production support, which is why the varied topics which the course covers supports my application then into the workplace. This course will help me in my career, future aspirations, just because it's the next step, the next stage in what I hope will be a long career